Hi, my name is Jeff. I'll show you amazing construction machines. Here comes the first vehicle. It's a compactor. Headlamps. Headlamps. Door opened. Headlamps. Tamping wheel. Air filter. Exhaust pipe. Tamping wheel. Door closed. Headlamps. Headlamps are the lamps attached to the front of the vehicle. This is a road roller. Door opened. Exhaust pipe. Wipers. Drum. Roller drums are available in widths ranging from the width of a small sidewalk to the width of a highway lane. Drums can be smooth, rubbered, or spiked. It is a concrete mixer truck. Headlamps. Revolving drum. Revolving drum. The revolving drum combines cement, sand, and water to form concrete. It has to be still in motion to protect the concrete from hardening. If, for some reason, the concrete hardens in the truck, workers may need to enter the barrel with jackhammers. This is a grader. Blade. Wipers. Headlamps. Door opened. A grader is a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface. In the construction of paved roads, it is the surface for the asphalt to be placed on. Graders are used for fast and precise finish grading of the rough grading performed by scrapers and bulldozers. Blade. This is a haul truck. Engine. Wipers. Headlamps. Headlamps are the lamps attached to the front of the vehicle. Headlamps illuminate the road ahead in darkness. Wheel. Tire. Tires are about 35% of a truck's operating cost. Overload a truck and you abuse the tires. This is a tracked excavator. Backhoe. A backhoe is the main tool of the digger, used to dig up hard, compact material, usually earth, or to lift heavy loads, such as a sewer box. It is a mobile crane. Headlamps. Door opened. This is a boom. Extend the outriggers to raise it. Now you can raise the boom. A mobile crane is a type of machine that can be used both to lift and lower materials, and to move them horizontally. They are designed to easily transport to a site and to use with different types of load. Door closed. This is a road roller. It's a bulldozer. Blade lowered. Ripper lowered. Blade raised. Headlamps. Door opened. A bulldozer is a tracked tractor used to push large quantities of soil, sand or rubble during construction and then to flatten areas of ground. Blade lowered. Blade raised. This is an articulated hauler. Wipers. Headlamps. Exhaust pipe. Wheel. Open box bed is raised. The front of the bed can be lifted to unload the truck. The bed is raised by a hydraulic pump. Before driving the truck, the driver has to be sure that the truck is completely lowered. An articulated hauler is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain. These vehicles are rugged and are built to handle great inclines and slippery conditions. Open box bed is lowered. It's a compactor. This is a wheel loader. Bucket up. Bucket down. Wheel. Wipers. Door opened. Wipers. Headlamps. Bucket up. A bucket is a specialized container attached to a machine. The capacity of a loader bucket can be anywhere from very tiny to the size of a passenger car. A tooth bar is commonly added to the front edge of a bucket to aid with digging in rocky ground. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction mainly for uploading materials into trucks.